Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about Java syntax, data types, variables, statements, expressions and control structures. These are some of the basic building blocks of a Java program. Let's first look at a statement. Statement is a single line of code that performs an action. For example, this code below assigns a value of 10 to a variable with name x. Int is data type here, which tells that this variable is of type integer. Expression Expression is a combination of values, variables and operators that evaluates to a single value. For example, here the expression 10 plus 20 evaluates to 30 and the value is assigned to variable x. Control structures. There are some control structures which are used to control the flow of the program. If-else statement, for loops, while loops are some of the common control structures. Here is an example of if condition. If the value of x is greater than 10, then program prints the message x is greater than 10, else it prints the message x is not greater than 10. Data types. Java has a number of built-in data types that are used to store the values in variables. Int is used to store the whole numbers. For example, here we are assigning value of 10 to int variable x. Float is used to store numbers with fractional values. Here is an example. So we are assigning value of 10.5 to float y. Here f suffix after the value 10.5 indicates that it is a float literal, which is necessary because decimal literals are interpreted as double by default, and assigning a double value to a float will result in a loss of precision. So double data type has more precision and it is used to store numbers with larger fractional values. Here is an example. Boolean data type is used to store true or false value. So here we are assigning a value of true to Boolean variable with name flag. Char is a data type used to store a single character. Here is an example. So we are assigning a character value a to a variable c. Here we are using single quote for the assignment. So instead of single quote, if you use double quotes for a, it will be treated as string, and because a string cannot be assigned to a character, it will result in a compile error.